iconic Pomona drag strip. We've been running this race for over 60 years here. They used to start the season here. They always end the season here. They actually started in Gainesville this year for travel, so should be an epic day. So this is kind of neat. They got this dragster sitting out here. You can kind of see everything up, kind of up close, if you will, and where you can see everything up close. A lot of horsepower. So you got the big old fuel pumps sitting there. Huge magnetos on it, over 11,000 horsepower. It rained out yesterday, so not many rounds went in yesterday at all. Like I said, maybe one round went in on Saturday, so everybody is running on a limited amount of data. So there's the Champ's Top Fuel Funny Car, Matt Hagen's. Wonder if we're going to see another big run from Bob Tasca. About a month or so ago, he ran that 340. Hopefully we'll see something close to that again. So never have got to walk the track for one of the events, so might as well start with the Winter Nationals. You can hear his feet are sticking. So they're trying to get all this in before the rain hits later today.
Of a second. Milliken banged one down there at the finish line, but he goes 3.730, 332 miles an hour. John Ford, Jim Campbell. Terry Haddock, a little flame, a little smoke, a little flash, and a whole lot of wind.
They have some old nostalgic dragsters here. Can't imagine driving one of those. Anything comes off that engine, you're wearing it. That's why they ended up with the rear engine set up. Old Moon Eye set up. Let's have a little bit of everything at the races. Nostalgic drags here. I like this old setup. Nice old fuel altered.
If anybody over there from the Nizam.
There we go. The old Shirley Muldowney rail. And in between rounds, everybody's thrashing to get their stuff back up and going. They've only got an hour, and they got to be back out there. You don't show, you go home.
333.99. Goes 3.736. .706, 334, and Justin Ashley takes it to the house. Tony does it, 3.774, 327 miles an hour, and Tony Schumacher is headed for the semi.
Is that a Willis? I believe so.
392 beats 391 on a little baby hole shot. J.R. Todd keeps on keeping on by 9 thousandths of a second. Miles an hour. I don't know if we can have a starting line camera again, but I think, you always hear about guys saying we staged with the headers. I think Terry just did that.
So the machine that they use to surface clutch disc, clutch plates. Big scary little ride right there. Sitting on bags, that's why it's down so far. It'd be fun. Getting in be easy. Just fall out of it. You can see the clutch assembly there, all those fingers are weighted. That big stack of discs there. And the old spent ones.
For the win, 6.583, 210 miles an hour. Both the cars look like they made a little bit of a move towards the center. Both have missed the tree a little bit on this run. But 657 beats 655. That's hole shot number 2 for Mason McGahey. Time difference, more than that. 6.549, 209 to a 6.
So it's a pretty good deal if you get the Top Limiter Club tickets. You get to have a nice lunch. They have like donuts and fruit and stuff here in the morning. You can sit in here and watch everything. So if it's really hot out, definitely a plus. All right, so let's see what else we can find here. So there's all kinds of stuff out here. There's several vendors that actually have showcasing products. Obviously Skag, who does quite a few teams out here. Justin Ashley team, they're getting ready for the next round. So out here in the pits area, there's always a ton of things to do. So if they ever get a chance to come out here and you can go out in the pits is where everything's happening. It might cost you a little bit more for a ticket, but that's pretty cool. The bet that thing's squirrely. So let's see what's under the Lincoln Electric tent here. All kinds of pretty cool little Lincoln Electric welders. Definitely like that 375 there, TIG with the chiller and everything for the torch. That's nice if you're hanging off that torch all day. Even little buddy there, he got himself some racing goggles and he got himself some earmuffs on. Good boy. I wonder if Duke could wear those. Alright, I seen this from across the way. I bet this is a wheelie machine. Probably why it was built. That's pretty cool. You can tell it's been stretched. Let's go see what the Capco guys are doing. Putting the headers on. The size of those damn valves in that thing. So you can see it's getting later in the day. Clouds are starting to roll in. They're trying to beat the rain to get the finals in.
For this guy right here, the one you're taking the
saw some weird flames and smoke look like coming out of the left bank on Billy Torrance's car. It slows to a... .190.296 and Justin Ashley will go to the final. 325 miles an hour. Give John Force. Her best run of the weekend at a time when she needed it. Greg Anderson had a 009 reaction time and a 6:54, and it wasn't enough. Erica, yet another final round. wins it by 4 thousandths of a second. Will she run Dallas Glenn, or will it be an all-Texas shootout with Mason McGahey? Team will have one. Mason McGahey shoves the clutch in. 6:52.09, Dallas Glenn. Dallas will go to the final. He'll take on Erica. Mason had to shove the clutch in, 7:34 and 143. So our defending race winner in Top Fuel, Funny Car, and Pro Stock have all made the final round.
Well, it looks like weather's going to hold off a little bit. It's been sprinkling on and off. Maybe they'll get finals in. That's up next. But you can see those mountains in distance. I mean, that's beautiful scenery that makes some great wheeling right there.
We got an interesting hailstorm here. A lot of slush running off the tent right now. See up there they're showing some pictures of the hail we got.
The tent's filling up with water. Okay, so with that was the 2024 Pomona Winter Nationals. And well, rain out, we got hail, seems like it follows me. We got to see everything but the actual final race, so you know that'll probably be at the next event. Hope you enjoyed this, and leave me some comments if you like this type of content. Thanks for watching. That also means that nice old caddy got possibly his first hailstorm.